from class 7A. Today I will demonstrate an experiment in front of you all. The name of that experiment is dancing balls. The materials required are a balloon and some aluminium balls. So let's get started. I will take the balloon, rub it to my head and gently keep it on the aluminium balls. As you could see, the ball started dancing. So now I will tell the reason behind this. When I rub the balloon to my head, a force called electrostatic force will be created, which makes the ball to move up and down. Thank you.